Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest messages not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest messages not showing on Samsung, you should just go to settings like this, we will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.